Welcome back to Bike Review Pro, the channel where we break down the newest motorcycles, future releases, and detailed reviews for riders everywhere. Today, we're talking about the return of a true legend, the 2026 Yamaha Serow 200. For years, the Serow has been one of the most respected lightweight dual-sport motorcycles, admired for its simplicity, ruggedness, and ability to handle just about anything you throw at it. With Yamaha possibly bringing it back as a modern 200cc dual-sport, it's time to see what this new generation Serow could mean for everyday riders, commuters, and adventurers. A short history of the Serow. Before we talk about the 2026 model, it's worth remembering where the Serow comes from. First launched in the 1980s, the Yamaha Serow, sometimes referred to as the XT225 or XT200 in different markets, built a loyal following by offering something rare in the motorcycle world. A dual sport that was approachable, reliable, and extremely versatile. It wasn't intimidating. It wasn't overly powerful. But it was capable of taking you through narrow trails, rocky climbs, and city streets with ease. Riders loved it because it was the type of bike you could learn on, keep for years, and trust no matter the conditions. That DNA is what Yamaha is expected to preserve with the new 2026 Serow 200 design and styling. When it comes to design, Yamaha knows the Serow doesn't need to be flashy. The 2026 Yamaha Serow 200 is expected to stay true to its classic slim and narrow build, which makes it so easy to handle. The low seat height, upright riding position, and lightweight frame are perfect for beginners and smaller riders, but also practical for experienced dual sport enthusiasts who want something nimble. Updates will most likely include full LED lighting, sharper and more modern bodywork, and a digital LCD dash replacing the old analog instruments. The Serow's design has always been about function, not fashion, and that's exactly why it has worked so well for decades. Engine and performance. Now let's talk about performance. At its heart, the 2026 Serow 200 is expected to carry a 200cc air-cooled single-cylinder engine, producing around 18 to 20 horsepower. On paper, that may sound modest compared to bigger dual sports, but the Serow has never been about chasing speed. Instead, it's about reliable torque delivery, strong low-end power, and excellent fuel efficiency. The addition of fuel injection will make the bike smoother, more efficient, and cleaner for modern emission standards. With a lightweight chassis, riders can expect agile handling both in the city and on off-road trails. Yamaha may also refine the 5-speed gearbox to deliver smoother shifts, making the Serow even more beginner-friendly. Technology and features. Although the Serow has always focused on simplicity, Yamaha is expected to add some modern features for 2026. These could include ABS for safety, a digital trip meter with fuel gauge, USB charging ports for accessories, and LED indicators. Long travel suspension and dual-purpose tires will keep it trail-ready, while spoked wheels will add durability for off-road conditions. Don't expect high-end electronic riding aids like traction control or multiple riding modes. That's not the Serow's style. Instead, the focus will remain on reliability, ease of maintenance, and lightweight practicality. Everyday usability, one of the strongest points of the Serow, has always been its do-it-all nature. The 2026 version will likely continue to shine as a daily commuter during the week and a trail bike on the weekends. With its lightweight, slim profile, and strong fuel economy, it's perfect for city traffic. And when you want to explore back roads or dirt trails, those fat tires and low-end torque make it a dependable companion. Riders who don't want a big, heavy adventure bike but still want the freedom to go anywhere will find the Serow 200 an excellent choice. Price and release. Date affordability has always been at the heart of the Serow's appeal. The 2026 Yamaha Serow 200 is expected to be priced in the range of $4,200 to $4,800 USD, keeping it accessible to beginners and budget-conscious riders. In markets like India or Southeast Asia, the price could fall around 3.5 to 4.5 lakh, making it an attractive entry-level dual-sport option. Rumors suggest that Yamaha may reveal the bike in late 2025, with availability rolling out globally in early 2026. Competition in today's motorcycle market. The Serow will face tough competition from lightweight dual sports, such as the Honda CRF 300L, Kawasaki KLX 230, and Suzuki DR 200. Each of these bikes brings its own strengths, but the Serow's unique blend of slim proportions, approachable ergonomics, and reputation for bulletproof reliability gives it a clear identity. While Honda and Kawasaki may appeal to riders seeking more power, the Serow is aimed at those who prioritize ease of use, comfort, and practicality. Why the Serow still matters? The Yamaha Serow 200 isn't just another motorcycle. It's a reminder of why people fall in love with riding in the first place. In a world where bikes are getting more powerful, more complex, and more expensive, the Serow stands for simplicity, freedom, and accessibility. It's the kind of bike you can start with as a beginner, keep for years as a reliable commuter, and still enjoy as an experienced rider who just wants a light, dependable machine for casual adventure. The return of the Serow is about more than specs. It's about preserving a riding culture. Final thoughts. The 2026 Yamaha Serow 200 could be one of the most exciting comebacks in the dual sport category. With updated styling, modern features, and the same reliable performance riders have always loved, it has the potential to attract both new and experienced riders alike. Affordable, versatile, and easy to maintain, the Serow proves that sometimes less really is more. If Yamaha delivers on this bike, it might once again become the go-to lightweight dual sport for the world. Question of the day: would you choose the Yamaha Serow 200 over the Honda CRF 300L or Kawasaki KLX 230 for your everyday adventures? Let us know in the comments below. Like, subscribe, and now you share this video for more Yamaha motorcycle news, reviews, and upcoming bike updates here on Bike Review Pro.